Today we are going to learn about AI in essay writing, Grammarly tutorial. This video will provide a detailed guide on how to use Grammarly to enhance your essay writing and secure better grades. We will explore the significance of good writing skills, introduce the Grammarly tool, and demonstrate how to apply Grammarly for refining your essays. We start by understanding the value of good writing skills. Good writing is not just about grammar and punctuation, it's about expressing ideas clearly and effectively. It plays a crucial role in academia, helping you secure better grades, but also in professional life, empowering you to communicate complex ideas. Good writing fosters understanding, builds credibility, and enhances the learning process. Next, we introduce Grammarly, an AI-powered writing enhancement tool. It corrects your grammar, checks for plagiarism, and even provides suggestions for writing style. The tool works by using complex AI algorithms to recognize and fix common writing errors. You can use Grammarly for free, but a premium version provides more advanced features. Let's see how you can install Grammarly in your browser. Now, let's learn how to use Grammarly for your essays. You can use Grammarly directly in Microsoft Word or via the online editor. Start by setting your writing goals in Grammarly. As you write, Grammarly will offer real-time suggestions. Pay attention to the readability score, which tells you how easy it is for others to understand your writing. Finally, always do a final proofreading round with Grammarly to ensure your essay is polished and error-free. To conclude, Grammarly is a powerful tool that can significantly improve your essay writing. Remember, improving your writing skills is a continuous journey, and tools like Grammarly can make this journey easier. By using Grammarly, you can not only fix your errors but also learn from them. So, why wait? Give Grammarly a try and see the difference it can make in your writing.